Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. Who wouldn't want to make money from their own home? There are countless offers that you can take advantage of. The information in this video can serve as the foundation for your success. See to it that you are on the lookout for scams online. There may be many ads for making money online, but you need to keep an eye out for those that are a waste of your time. Make sure you read reviews and all the fine print before committing to anything. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Stand ready to prove your identity before you get to take advantage of making money online. A lot of companies will want the same type of ID as you would show a tangible employer. Get yourself digital versions of your ID to make everything go smoothly. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. Be grounded in your expectations about making money online. It still takes time and effort. Block out an hour a day from your schedule to spend online working on things, but do not quit your day job yet. It could be days or even weeks before you even know what you are good at. There are many opportunities for online tutors in subjects ranging from mathematics to language. Possible students are many and varied. You might teach your native language to people living in other countries via VoIP. Another possibility is to tutor school children, high schoolers or college students in a subject in which you specialize. You can work with an online tutoring agency or set up your own website to begin. If you are good at writing, it would be a great idea for you to sign up for a few freelance sites. This is a great way to make a legitimate income without leaving the house. The amount of money you earn depends on how much you are willing to put into it, which means you are in control of your own income. After watching the tips included above, you should have a better knowledge of how to earn money online. You can actually earn income by working online. Refer to the information presented here as you seek online money-making opportunities. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.